Today I'm going to show you how I did question 1 with the double number line. So here's my number line. And on the top I put 100% and 0%. And on the bottom I put 0 and 60. I wanted to find the halves and the quarters because that just makes things easier to find. And it's kind of like guides you. So I know that this is 50%, half is 50%, and half of 60 is 30, so 30% is the equivalent to 30. And after that, I found the quarters. I kind of used decimals in this and kind of used division. So I knew that the decimal version of, well, basically I divided 50 by 2, which got me 25, wrong color. And because I divided this by half, I did the same thing on the bottom. Divided by 30 by half, which is kind of like those T-charts. Anyhow, I did the same on the other side, except for I added 25. And I realized these are kind of like decimals because 0.25 is the same as 1/4, and 25% is also the same as 1/4 of whatever it is that the whole number is. Since I subtract over here, I add over here, so this would be 45. So I looked back at here, and I realized that I already got this one done, the first one, and I got this one done. So now I have to find 12 and 3. To do this, I kind of didn't use the double number line, and I did both. I kind of did a combination. I'll show it on the double number line, and then I'll show what I did. So I try to think, what is 12? What is 12 and 60? Like 60 divided by 12, and that was 5. So 12 times 5 is 60. And I thought, what is 100 divided by 5? I thought, what is 100 divided by 5? Because I have to do the same thing on both sides. And that was 20. So I figured out that 20% would be 20% would be the same as 12. And the other way I kind of mix in this is kind of like the division, because fractions are division. I did 12 out of 60, and I simplified that. It should be 6 and 30, which should be 1/5. And that was of 100, which equals 20. And this is the percentage, and this was the regular number. And I kind of mixed that in because, yeah, like I said before, fractions are kind of the same thing as division in a way. And so then I tried to figure out what 3 was. And since I already had 30, which was 50, I thought, why not? I kind of used the same fraction thing, which I'll do later, but I thought to get 3, you have to divide 30 by 10. So I divided this by 10, and I divided this by 10, which got me to here, which was 50 divided by 10 would be 5%, and 30 divided by 10 would be 3. And you can also do this with the fraction thing. If you got 3 out of 60 equals 1/20th of 100, because all of this is basically the same thing as multiplying. And this equals 5. That would be this percentage, and that would be the normal number. This is kind of what the final thing looks like. And that is the end.